Creativity, excellence, growth. At VCS, we know the value of play. We strive to go beyond going outside the box. We take the box and use it to create something else. Something with value. Something that solves a problem. Something that can help make a difference. When others have already set a standard, we take it a step further. We hold ourselves at the highest esteem, and we encourage others to do the same. The adventure of creation does not stop when we are done. It stops when we are satisfied. It stops when we are proud. We know that growth is more than just a question of how. We should also ask, for who? We believe that growth should be for everyone. And we are here to help make that happen in any way that we can. We do not back down from a challenge, because we know that for every problem, there is a strategically creative solution. At 14 years, we have grown into an empowered agency. We know what we stand for. We know what we can be. We are VCS.